So you know, several weeks ago, Judy and I did a segment on this wonderful planter called GreenStalk planter, and we did tell you that we'd follow up and give you some ideas of what's happened with it. But first, let's start with just the plants themselves. We filled it with basil because the producers wanted to have a whole lot of pesto. So we did that. It turned out great. They grew really well. And then on the pruning of them, though, we wanted to tell you when you're doing basil, it's some people just go in and they just do this and pull the leaves off like that to use them. But we would suggest actually going in and cutting the whole thing off. Then you can clean the basil, the leaves off as you do that. But then you get a true pruning segment. Then it's not going to bolt in and go to blooms, and it'll start sending out a lot more. So you can even have another huge harvest of basil if you do it that way.
And you know, they got about 1.5 pints of pesto, so it really produced. And we really like the way it waters. It is very efficient, just like they said it would. You fill the reservoir up here, and the water trickles down. It got even watering throughout all the different pockets. And now the other thing we like about it is it's on wheels. They're really nice and heavy-duty wheels, and you can spin it so the plants get even light all the way around.
So we wanted to let you all know that at Garden Time, we really did like this product. We think it's very good, it works well, and they really do a good job of what they say they were going to do. So for more information on how you too can get one, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website to purchase one for yourself.